Alright, Collin, you scored a goal today, 18th goal of the season, on to the final. How does that feel?
Well, congrats to the team. Finally make a final for this season. We play for it, so that's a good thing for this season.
Is your first final?
No, this is not my first final.
What are you guys looking forward to? Because two tough teams coming up. You guys in Arbor and Bruno. Would you prefer any one of them, or does it really matter?
It is football. Any one of them come, we just do the job.
Looking to add more goals to the tally for the rest of the season?
Yeah, that's where the focus is at right now.
Remember, you said that initially that 24 was the aim.
25.
25?
Yeah.
Are you going closer to that?
Yeah. That's the aim right now, going forward.
Alright, and I think you had a good game, man. What do you think about the performance of this today?
Well, it was a good performance. I get an assist. Well, it was good. Chuppy, kudos to you. It was a good game.
Assist and goal, eh?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Keeping up a form, like how much assists you have now?
I think about 7, I think.
7 assists?
Yeah.
And 18 goals?
Yeah.
That's good contribution, good return.
Yeah.
Coach was smiling with those returns.
Yeah, man. Sometimes it costs me, but I have to come again all the time.
Well done and good game again.
Yeah, thanks.